How to change Instagram picture after posting. So let's say I want to change this photograph. So if I tap on the three dot, you will see there is an edit option and delete option. And the thing about it is you cannot change the Instagram picture after posting. So either you can just delete it, or the next cool thing is just tap on edit, and at the top you will see a delete button. So just tap on that. This is actually a really cool feature because if you have a multiple photograph and you don't like a certain one from the site, you can just go ahead and delete it. And the next thing is that you can just tap on the three dot and just delete it, as I told before. And you can see it is deleted, so you can just go ahead and upload a new photograph with all the pictures that you want to be uploaded. I'm choosing some random just for an example. Now you can choose filters and you can do all the necessary edits that you want, and once you are happy with the outlook, you can just go ahead and post it. So that was a short video. Hopefully you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching.